In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drag and drop into text question to your quiz. This interactive question type is perfect for checking understanding of key terms, definitions, or sequences by letting students drag words or phrases directly into a sentence. First, make sure editing is turned on in your course, then open the quiz where you want this new question to appear. With editing enabled, look for the Add menu inside the quiz and choose Add, then a new question. From the list of available question types, select Drag and Drop into Text and Confirm by clicking Add. You'll be taken to the setup page where we'll build the question. Start with a clear question name. This is for your organization and helps you find it later. Students typically won't see this label, so make it descriptive like Geography, capitals fill in. Next, write the question text that students will see. Wherever you want a blank gap to appear, use the double bracket number syntax. For example, the capital of France is WO. You can add multiple gaps throughout your sentence or paragraph by increasing the numbers, like 273, and so on. Keep each gap number unique and write the surrounding sentence normally so it reads smoothly once the correct words are in place. Now define the choices, sometimes called the draggable text. These are the words or short phrases students will drag into each gap. For every number you used in the question text, provide a matching choice. Using our example, you'd enter Paris and map it to 1. Continue for each gap until everything has a corresponding choice. If you want to reduce predictability, enable Shuffle so the options appear in a random order. You can also assign groups to your choices. Grouping acts like color-coded lanes. Only items from the same group can fill certain gaps. This is handy when your question has sets of terms that shouldn't be interchangeable across different parts of the text. When you're happy with the wording and the mappings, save the question. Immediately preview it to make sure the gaps and drag items behave as intended. In the preview, drag each choice into its matching gap and confirm that the sentence reads correctly. If something doesn't line up, it usually means a gap number in the text doesn't match the number assigned to a choice, or an item is in the wrong group. Make any quick adjustments, save again, and preview once more. That's it. You've created a clear, interactive drag and drop into text question ready to engage your learners and assess understanding right inside your quiz.